Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Got your coffee. How's everybody doing out there this morning on this terrific Tuesday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, guys, and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I want to show you a system here that I've been talking about since it launched in March. I actually joined it when it launched. I was a part of the community before the program even launched. Okay, so the program launched March of this year, and I've been rocking with it ever since. I've been there from the beginning stages. If you want to check out my programs that I'm promoting, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. The link is in the description. All right, guys. So let's talk about it. I just want to basically show you, you're here, and sometimes you hear this loosely, a step-by-step program. Okay, what's the step-by-step program? So actually, I just want to show you that. All right, so we're going to get into that. But remember, go check this out and all my programs at www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right. So when we say step by step, because we talk about this, right? Our program, an easy step by step blueprint, the all-in-one stop for passive income. Learn the $900 day blueprint. Get access now to our step by step blueprint to achieve 100% profit and automate your earnings for daily pay with online digital products. So show me the step by step. That's what you want to see, right? So here it is. We actually log into our dashboard, okay? The digital growth community product. So we're in our dashboard. It says right here, right? So when you go here, you're going to see the program that you purchase. So for example, I purchased the Legacy Builder program. That's the $900 product. So when you go here, you want to click the product that you purchased. You're going to see them all here, right? So you see all of them, the Legacy, the Passive Blueprint, the Mastery, the Launchpad. Okay, but click the one you purchased. All right, so I will click here. And then I'm going to show you the step by step. You come here. Welcome to Legacy Builders Program. See, it says resume course because it knows where I stopped. Welcome to Legacy Builders product. Get started down below. So when you come here, here is your step by step process. Click here to get started. Welcome. See that? Community guidelines agreement, what to expect, live Zoom calls. This is for the Legacy Builder Program members. If you purchase the $900 product, right, they have the live calls, the interactive calls, and they're right here. See, here's the replays. Okay, come here, tells you to log in, which we're in. And it goes over how to find your products, but we just keep going here, right? So launch kit for your online business. They go over that. But where's the steps, right? Automate your online business for time freedom. Website setup. All right. So all you do is come here and follow what it tells you to do. Everything is right here. Here's your payments. Your payment options. So here are the steps. Everything. How to connect your website to the free system you get, by the way. You get a free marketing system. You don't have to pay any monthly fees here. Once you purchase your product, one-time payment, no monthly fees. The marketing system is included. The autoresponder email is included. Okay? All here, as you can see, step by step by step by step. This is what we're talking about when we say step by step. Literally, automate your emails. You see how we're just going with the flow. Go all the way down. Okay, guys? So here are the steps. Okay? So when you come here to your dashboard, you log in and click here and go all the way down. Be sure also to come over here to the right and join the community. All right, so you can be a part of the community. I think we've got over 42,000 members now. When I got in this community, it was 11,000 folks in the community prior to it launching. All right, so it's just grown by leaps and bounds. But it's a reason why are so many people joining this program. Okay, so because we've got everything laid out here, literally. This is not one of those systems where you've got some training sitting in your dashboard and you really don't know where to go. Okay, you kind of own your own. I mean, it's there. There's video tutorials typically with digital products, programs, but there you own your own, right? Here you have a community and you literally have comprehensive training. So here it is, step by step, right? Then what we have is we are a part of, the community is a part of School, SKOOL. This is where everything is laid out for the digital growth community. As you can see right here, we got community, classroom, calendar. We know every day what's going on. You can just go to your calendar and check it out. The members, everything is right here. So let's say, for an example, today, we can click calendar. So come here, and today is what? 29th. All right. So we have a legacy builder. Looks like a webinar today. And we have our tech Zoom today. Okay. So all you gotta do is come to your calendar and see what's going on day by day. Day by day. All right. So pretty cool stuff. Then you have here, let's see, yep, it's 43,900 folks in the community now. All right. So we've got it all right here. So here we go. So you get signed up, you're over there, you follow those steps, but you come here as well. See, when you come into the community, get started, to help you get started right away and understand how to navigate. You want to come here as well. Get started, right walkthrough. Okay, so you want to check that out as well. And then, like I said, every day, just make sure you check the calendar. And then you want to come to the community to see what's happening in the community. And it will be pinned. Michelle will pin everything right here so you'll know what's going on. All right, guys? So keep it simple. So I know in the beginning it seems like a lot going on, but if you just follow everything, go with the flow, you won't overwhelm yourself. Okay? That's how that goes. Now, for the folks that say, well, you know what, I really don't want to set this stuff up. I know you telling me step by step, but can someone do it for me? Guess what? They have that service. See right here? Tech Done For You service. They'll set the whole thing up. So if you're interested in that, just click here and get that set up. They'll put you on the calendar and they will do it all for you. So that's an option as well. Okay? So that is the step-by-step process coming in here to the dashboard. Okay? Because I know sometimes folks get a little overwhelmed or they're excited and they bypass everything that they need. So you get here in the community, but you come here and follow this all the way down. All right. And then if you have any questions, okay, as you go through this, and we have a tech Zoom too. Tech Zoom that you can get on. Just look at the calendar and see when the tech Zoom is. See, like today, we've got a tech Zoom from 1 to 3. So if you're getting stuck somewhere, we got tech support. Okay? So we got you covered. But until then, let's say it's after then and you're stuck, you just come to the community and you can come here, guys, and see tech support. and you can type up here in the search bar what you're looking for. Okay? See if you can find it there. If not, make a post here and someone will reach out to you, because this is a global opportunity, meaning people are from all over the world here. All right? So at some point in time, somebody from somewhere will reach out to you. All right? So you definitely have what you need to be successful here. But I want to point out the step-by-step process. Okay? Now, also included is, guess what? Daily videos. Daily videos. That's right. Every day we get a daily video from the owner of the program. Okay? So all you got to do is come over here. Hold on. Now, I get emails when they're posted. So it depends on how you set yours up. So every day I get an email and I know when it's posted. But if you're not getting those, you can just come right here. See, it says daily videos and Zoom replays. Okay? Just go tap in there and you'll get a daily video. All right? Which will tell you what to do for the day. How about that? Is that cool or what? All right? So let's get back over here. Now, we've got 4 programs you can check out. You get in where you fit in is what I like to tell people. I don't tell people where to start or begin. It's all on you. Me personally, I went all in. I have the legacy program. That way I get all 4. So I didn't leave any money on the table. All right, but you can always upgrade later, guys. Within 30 days, once you get started, you can upgrade and just pay the difference. All right. Now, so what are those 4 programs? Let's take a look. I want you to go check them out for yourself. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. The link is in the description, okay? And you decide which one you want to get started with. All right, so what do we have here? We have the Launchpad. That's $100. It's one-time payment, so it'll be $100 plus $29 for your website. So $129. You can get started today. And did I say this is instant setup? So there's no delay. As soon as you make your payment, you have access to your product that you purchase and to the community. You can literally get started today. Okay? So Launchpad, $129. Daily Passive Pay Blueprint, $300 plus $29, so $329. But when you pay that $329 for the blueprint, you also will get the Launchpad. So that's 2 products you're going to get for $329. And remember, you're going to get paid on every product that you sell. So when you sell the Launchpad, you make $100. When you sell the daily blueprint, you make $300. Okay? 2 incomes now. All right. The third product is the Digital Mastery, $600. So it'll be $629. But that $629 is going to get you 3 products. So now you qualified to earn $100, $300, and $600. Okay, see how this goes? All digital. All right, everything is instant. People will get access to their products instantly. You don't have to worry about support, any of that. All right. Then, of course, the Mac Daddy of them all, the creme de la creme, is the Legacy Builder. That's the one I'm a part of. $929. You get everything. You get all 4 products. Now you can earn $900, $600, $300, and $100. Okay? Because you have the master resale rights, because you own the product. Okay? Then, of course, you get all these bonuses. So go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com and see what this is all about. All right? So here you are again, 4 income streams, as I just mentioned. It's now or never. Get started, guys. $100, $300, $600, or $900 digital education products that's going to show you how to use free marketing to make money online. Start your journey today. All right, go check it out. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My info is in the description. Step by step, we got you covered. All right, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.